Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
What's going on, and good morning to you. This is your 1 minute motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, and here is your quote for today. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can. We can all get caught up in deadlines, work, and trying to produce our best results day after day. We all try this because we're comparing ourselves against someone similar, who's been doing it for so many years longer. Stop! Take stock of where you are and make your start here. Use the tools and skills you've already got and go for it. Do exactly what you can for yourself and see just how far you can take it.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.